Hey guys, Trevor here. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to set up and use Facebook dating. It's pretty quick and easy, so let's jump right in. Now, the first thing I would recommend doing is checking the Facebook dating requirements. There are certain requirements that you need to meet to be eligible for Facebook dating on the app. You can see to access Facebook dating, you need to be at least 18 years or older, and it needs to say so on your Facebook account. You have to have a good Facebook account in good standing for at least 30 days, and you have to live in a country where Facebook dating is available. It also says if you delete your dating profile, you can't make a new one for 7 days. So keep in mind, you need to be in one of these countries. So I'll scroll through this list and you can check to see if your country is on this list. In my case, as I scroll to the very bottom, I'm in the United States, so I'm good to go with that. Keep in mind also, it says if you have a new or inactive account, or you went against the terms of service or community guidelines, then you won't be able to use Facebook dating. If you're good with all of those, let's hop out here and open up the Facebook app. From here, you might see Facebook dating at the very bottom. And if you don't, just tap on the menu button at the very bottom right, or it might be at the top right on your device. After you've done that, you should be able to see shortcuts for Facebook dating. If you don't, just hit the See More button, and then you can scroll down and there is dating. I can tap on it, and it says, Welcome to Facebook dating. Let's hit Get Started. I'll show you how to set up your profile, what it looks like when people start popping up, how to message them, all of that stuff. So on here, I'm going to hit Next here, and it says, let's start building your dating profile. Your name, your age, your gender, and your hometown if you want it on there. So if anything on here is not correct or you wanted to change it, you can just tap on that little pencil button and then update it to whatever you want. Now, after you've done that, let's go back and hit Next. Next, it says, who do you want to date? Either women, men, or everyone. In my case, I'm going to choose women. And who do you want to be friends with? And in my case, I'm going to choose everyone. Happy to be friends with everybody. And then hit Next. Keep in mind, in this case, you can use Facebook dating to both find a partner for yourself, but you can also do it just to find a new friend in a city that you moved to. So in this case, I'm going to enter my height here and then hit Next. And then do you have kids? You can just choose to enter this in now, or you can, if you don't want to do it, just hit the skip button. What is your education level? Again, you can choose high school, grad school, college, and then you can also just skip it. Now, it says, where are you dating? Keep in mind, you can always change this down the road if you go to a different city or just want to see people in a different city. I'll show you how to do that, but let's just hit continue. And in this case, I'm going to just choose not now because I don't really want it to do, but it might require me to. Okay, so let's go back in here and allow location service while using the app. After I've done that, I'm going to hit try again. And there it tags me Raleigh, North Carolina, which is correct. I'm going to hit Next. And I can just use my profile photo. You can tap on change photo if you want to use something else that you upload just for Facebook dating. This won't be the profile across all of Facebook, but just in Facebook dating. And then hit Next. After you've done that, let's review everything and hit confirm. And you can see in my case, I've gone back and forth and deleted this recently, creating basically tutorials. So it says I can't create one because I've deleted it in the last 7 days. But after you've done that, gotten basically through this process and hit confirm, you will have seen people on there and you can choose to either tap the heart or the X button. Keep in mind, you can only message somebody if you tap the heart, aka you say, yes, I like this person, and the other person does the same thing on your profile. So they'll show the two people, yourself and the other person, each other. And if you both say yes or match up, you'll be able to send them messages, start chatting on there, and meet up potentially in real life. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the subscribe button down below and leave a comment if you just have any questions. Thanks, guys.